we are going to look at the circle quiz review. So right in front of you, this is the circle quiz review. It's going to look very similar to your circle quiz. So we're going to find out if RS, we're going to find RS if RS is a tangent. Okay, we're going to figure it out if it's a tangent. So if we look right here, 4 is a radius, R meets on this outside, that meets at 90 degrees. If that's 90 degrees, it is a tangent, RS is a tangent, and we can find X. So we can do this by using Pythagorean theorem. 4 squared plus what? Everybody wants to say 5. Remember, it's X. 5 is my hypotenuse. X squared equals 5 squared. So I'm going to get 16 plus X squared equals 25. Now I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. X squared equals 9. And then we take the square root of each side. So X equals 3. So that means RS equals 3. And we're done. Number 2, EG is a diameter. E to F, arc E to F is 120 degrees. And we are trying to find what EPF is. Oh, look, P is my center. So EPF is a central angle, and central angles and arcs are equal. So the measure of angle EPF is equal to 120 degrees. Done. Number 3. PS, find the measure of angle PSQ if PSQ is y minus 5 and PRQ is y minus 15. Oh, guess what? They are both inscribed angles, and inscribed angles are equal to their arc, so they must be equal to each other. So y minus 5 equals 2y minus 15. We are going to then get them on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 2y. And I get y minus 5 equals negative 15. And then I am going to, equals negative y minus 15. Plus 5 both sides. Negative y equals negative 10. Divide both sides by a negative. And I get y equals 10. Now I want to find the measure of PSQ, so I'm going to plug it back in. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So the measure of angle PSQ equals 5 degrees. All right, we're going to find the perimeter of this. Okay, this is all about some tangents. So I know that if 2 tangents meet in an exterior point, they are equal. So I know both of those are 4. 19 minus 4 is 15. So this is also 15. 24 minus 15 is 9. So these are 9. Okay, so this is also 9. So now I can just add all these up. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 15 plus 15 ends up equaling 74 is my perimeter. Now there is another way to do it, and if you go to Mr. McGregor's website, you can see that it's done that way. And either way is just fine. Okay? All right, if you feel pretty confident on those 4 questions, you are ready to do your circle quiz. I recommend having this in front of you, feeling very confident about it, to do that circle quiz, and you should be able to get all your questions answered. Okay, again, come to my office hours, Mr. McGregor's, Dr. Jelliman's, Mr. Maher's if you need anything.